can hold on to. Find someone who'll be there for you. 'Cause that's all that really matters in the end. Find somewhere you can come home.